morning, myself Kalyan Dote from Somalvarma Umya branch and my topic is how to boost your immune system strong. As you all know that during this pandemic period, whole world was suffering from this COVID-19 and someone has correctly said that if health is gone, everything is gone. Health is wealth and nothing is supreme than what our health stands at the present moment. The healthy person, whether rich or poor, lives most happy and powerful life than any rich person having a diseased body. There are a number of different routes by which a person can become infected by an infectious agent. Infectious diseases caused by directly or indirectly from one person to another. Now this is time to face this coronavirus by keeping the immune system strong. So let's see how to boost your immune system strong.
Today, we are going to see the best foods to boost your immune system. Considering the current situation of COVID-19, there is in particular public interest on increasing immune defense easily. Feeding your body certain foods may help to keep your immune system strong. So if you are looking for ways to boost your immunity during this pandemic, then plan your meals to include these 15 powerful immune system boosters. So let's see which are those. Citrus fruits. Most people turn to vitamin C after they have caught a cold. That's because it helps build up your immune system. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells. These are key to fighting infections and most popular citrus fruits like grapes, oranges, lemons. As your body doesn't produce or store it, you need daily vitamin C for your health. Almost all citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. With such a variety to choose from, it's easy to add a squeeze of this vitamin to any meal. Red bell peppers. If you think citrus fruits have the most vitamin C of any fruit or vegetable, think again. Red bell peppers contain twice as much as vitamin C as citrus. They are also a rich source of beta-carotene. Beta-carotene helps keep your eyes and skin healthy. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation or boost immune function by increasing disease-fighting cells in the body. Excellent sources include fruits, sweet potatoes, carrots, and green leafy vegetables. Broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals, packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as many other antioxidants and fiber. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put on your table. The key to keeping its power intact is to cook it as little as possible, or better yet, not at all. Garlic. Garlic is found in almost every cuisine in the world. It adds a little zing to food and it's a must-have for your health. Early civilizations recognized its value in fighting infections. Garlic may also help lower blood pressure and slow down hardening of the arteries. Garlic's immune-boosting properties seem to come from a heavy concentration of sulfur containing compounds such as allicin. Ginger. Ginger is another ingredient many turn to after getting sick. Ginger may help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce a sore throat and other inflammatory illness. Ginger may also help decrease nausea. While it's used in many sweet desserts, ginger packs some heat in the form of ginger oil. A relative of capsaicin, ginger may help decrease chronic pain and may possess cholesterol-lowering properties. Spinach. Spinach made our list not just because it's rich in vitamin C, it's also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may increase the infection-fighting ability of our immune systems. Similar to broccoli, spinach is healthiest when it's cooked as little as possible so that it retains its nutrients. However, light cooking enhances its vitamin A and allows other nutrients to be released from oxalic acid. Yogurt. Look for yogurts that have live and active cultures printed on the label. Like Greek yogurt, these cultures may stimulate your immune system to help fight diseases. Try to get plain yogurts rather than the kinds that are pre-flavored and loaded with sugar. You can sweeten plain yogurt yourselves with healthy fruits and a drizzle of honey instead. Yogurt can also be a great source of vitamin D, so try to select brands fortified with vitamin D. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and it's thought to boost our body's natural defenses against diseases. Almonds. When it comes to preventing and fighting off colds, vitamin E tends to take a backseat to vitamin C. However, vitamin E is key to a healthy immune system. It's a fat soluble vitamin, meaning it requires the presence of fat to be absorbed properly. Nuts such as almonds are packed with the vitamin and also have healthy fats. A half cup serving, which is about 46 whole shelled almonds, provides nearly 100% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin E. Turmeric. You may know turmeric as a key ingredient in many curries, but this bright yellow bitter spice has also been used for years as an anti-inflammatory in treating both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It has high concentration of curcumin, which gives turmeric its distinctive color and can help decrease exercise-induced muscle damage. Green tea. Both green and black teas are packed with flavonoids, a type of antioxidant. Green tea really excels in its levels of epigallocatechin chelate or EGCG, which is another powerful antioxidant. EGCG has been shown to enhance immune function. The fermentation process black tea goes through destroys a lot of the EGCG. Green tea, on the other hand, is steamed and not fermented, so the EGCG is preserved. Green tea is also a good source of the amino acid L-theanine. L-theanine may aid in the production of germ-fighting compounds in your T cells. Papaya. Papaya is another fruit loaded with vitamin C. You can find 24% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin C in a single papaya. Papaya also have a digestive enzyme called papain that has anti-inflammatory effects. Papayas have decent amount of potassium, B vitamins and folate, all of which are beneficial to our overall health. Kiwi. Like papayas, kiwis are naturally full of essential nutrients including folate, potassium, vitamin K and vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts white blood cells to fight infection, while kiwis are the nutrients keep the rest of your body functioning properly. Poultry. When you are sick, chicken soup is more than just a feel-good food. With a placebo effect, it helps into symptoms of a cold and also helps to protect you from getting sick in the first place. Poultry such as chicken and turkey is high in vitamin B6. About 3 ounces of little turkey or chicken meat contain 40 to 50% of your daily recommended amount of basic vitamin B6 is an important player in many of the chemical reactions that happen in the body. It's also vital to the formation of new and healthy red blood cells. Stock or both made by boiling chicken bones contain gelatin, chondroitin and other nutrients helpful for gut healing and immunity. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are full of nutrients including phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin B6. They are also incredibly high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E is important in regulating and maintaining immune system function. Other foods with high amounts of vitamin E includes avocados and dark leafy vegetables. Shellfish. Shellfish isn't what jumps to mind for many who are trying to boost their immune system, but some types of shellfish are packed with zinc. Zinc doesn't get as much as attention as many other vitamins and minerals, but our body needs it so that our immune cells can function as intended. Varieties of shellfish that are high in zinc includes crabs, clams and lobsters. Keep in your mind that you do want to have more than the daily recommended amount of zinc in your diet. For adult men it's 11 mg and for women it's 8 mg. Too much zinc can actually inhibit immune system functions.